Welcome to our quick guide on Articulate Storyline 360. Whether you're just starting with e-learning, looking to explore new options, or aiming to speed up your project creation, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to kickstart your project using default templates and efficiently complete it. Let's dive in. First, open Articulate Storyline 360. From the left side menu, select New Project. Next, from the Design tab, select Slide Size. In the Slide Size pop-up, choose a preset such as 4x3 or 16x9, or enter custom dimensions in the height and width fields. Now, go to the Home tab and click on New Slide. From the drop-down menu, select Content Library 360. In the Content Library pop-up, select the desired theme for your project, either light or dark. Select types options your needs. Choose a template, such as Synergy or Illuminate, etc. Select the slides you want, from Welcome to Exit, then click the Insert Slide button. Edit the content and styles of the slides to match your branding. After updating the content and branding, check the order of your slides. Finally, publish your course. Congratulations! You've learned how to efficiently use default templates in Storyline 360 to create engaging e-learning projects. By following these steps, you can save time and ensure a professional outcome. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore our other tutorials for more Storyline 360 tips and tricks.